Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. As we continue our journey of getting 60 exotic dishes from 20 different countries, today we present Burrito Bowl, Mexican salad. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. This easy to prepare salad will make you the superstar for your next potluck or a picnic get together. For the ingredients, please check the description section. To start with, I'll marinate the chicken. I'll place the thigh pieces which are boneless in a large mixing bowl. Season it with sea salt, pepper powder, garlic powder, roasted cumin-seed powder, and for little more spiciness I'm using paprika that gives a bright red color and cayenne for a bit of hotness. A little more paprika goes in for that extra spiciness. Then a drizzle of olive oil. Then I'll massage the chicken pieces thoroughly and allow it to sit for half an hour. Then I'll heat on little amount of oil on a grill pan and place the chicken pieces with the skin side down. And I will grill till they are cooked thoroughly. I am grilling the chicken on low flame. This imparts a slight smokiness to the meat. And since it is the thigh pieces, the fat secreted is enough. Then coming to the veggies, I'll start slicing the red cabbage. Then I'll julienne little amount of red bell peppers. Then little amount of yellow bell peppers. Then I'll slice the red onion, tomatoes and cucumbers. I'll be squeezing half lemon and half a lime. Avocado which I will peel and slice in the end. The chicken has been grilled thoroughly and cooled. I'll start shredding it. I'm using 2 forks and shred it thinly. I have soaked the salad leaves in a bowl of ice cold water so that the salad leaves are crunchy. Then I'll roughly tear it, place it in a salad bowl. Then I'll add the grilled and shredded pieces of chicken. I am using boiled red beans, black beans, then little amount of julienne red peppers. You can customize this salad as per your taste. You can add few vegetables of your choice, a little excess, and if you don't like you can skip it out. Then I'll add sliced onion, sliced red cabbage, sliced cucumber, boiled corn kernels, and few slices of tomato. Then I have steamed few florets of broccoli. I'll place that. This salad is a meal in itself. I have peeled and sliced the avocados. To prevent the avocados from decolorizing, I'll squeeze little amount of lime over it and little more extra lemon over all the other veggies. For the dressing, I am using mayonnaise, to which I have added little amount of salt, pepper and garlic. For extra spiciness, I am adding jalapenos. You don't want to, you can skip it out. And our vibrant looking, delicious Mexican burrito bowl is ready for serving. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.